Activate the menu item insert. Activate the menu item insert. Select the output value type as database output value. The database query wizard will be open. Select the option specify SQL statement manually. Click on next button. Click on create. The data source wizard will be open. Click on new. Select the database type. Browse. We need to specify the data source name. Click on next button. Finish. The ODBC Microsoft Access Setup wizard will be open. Now select the database where you can able to find out the databases under the project underscore automation. Under the test data, you can able to find out the result. Click on OK. Select the data source name. Select a star from table name. What about the table name? Cap. Click on finish. You can able to find out the result. These values, whatever the values you want, you can able to capture. Click on OK. Run the data table. Run the result now. You can able to find out the result under the runtime data table, where you can able to find out the runtime data table under the result window. Under the result window, you can able to find out the values. These values, if you want to export these values, first of all, what about the statements? Data table dot, tell me, add sheet name. Data table dot add sheet space sheet name. We are going to capture these values now. Export method. Data table dot export sheet. Data table dot export sheet. Where we are going to export? I am going to export under the project underscore automation. Under the test data, specify the path of the folder. Test data. Its folder name is test data. I'm going to create the file name with result1 dot xls, where we are going to export under the external sheet ID. But here we are not using the design time data table and all. You can able to give the design time data table sheet ID also. Let me check if it is not working, then we can able to give for the 3. Specify the design time data table sheet ID. Let me check under the project underscore automation, under the test data. We are not importing the anyway. See, test data is created now. Under the test data, not test data, no. What about the file name? Result1. Result1, you see, new file was created. Result1, you can able to find out the result. See, these values and all we can able to export into an external Excel file. See, here why we are using design time data table sheet ID means we are not importing any values here. Just we are capturing at the time of execution, we are capturing the values from the database and export into an external Excel file. That's why no need to specify the design time, runtime, external data table sheet ID and runtime data table sheet ID. Tell me the process again. What we have to do? As per our scenario, we need to capture the content from the database and we need to export into an external Excel file. Tell me the scenario. Navigation. Activate
Uh,
the.
in sir.
See, this one is not related to through scripting. Next day program and all through this scripting and all we have discussed about capturing the actual value and all. This one related to the output values, database output value. Menu item insert. What about others? All of
And
them should give
select
the answer,
database
please.
output value.
Output values, database output value,
And then in the database query wizard, we need to select the specify
specify
SQL
SQL
statement.
statement manually. Click on next button. Click on create
And then
new. Select the type of the database. Browse. Specify the data source name. Click on create. Click on next button. Specify the finish. What do we have to do now? The
here we
ODBC
need to select
Microsoft Access Setup wizard will be opened. Select. Where you can able to find out the result under the project underscore automation. Test data. MyDB. Click on OK. What about the data source name? Just select star from table. Click on finish. We need to select the content. Capturing the content from the database. Data table dot as sheet. Specify the sheet name. And the data table dot import sheet. Sorry, export sheet. Values we are exporting. Specify the file name. Dot XLS. And the design time data table sheet ID we need to specify. Run the test data now. Capturing the result from the database. At the time of execution, we are exporting into an external Excel file. After that, how to delete the runtime data table? Whenever the execution is completed, then we can able to delete the runtime data table. What about the syntax for that? Data table dot delete sheet. Data table dot delete sheet. Result one. For adding an extra sheet into the runtime data table, after that, deleting an extra sheet into the runtime data table. Please write it.